Happy New Year, you guys. Show you guys Jared's car. I know some of you guys that do follow us on Instagram. Jared had a little incident back in October. He's okay, but he's working on the next project. Ditched the other chassis. Now he's got a whole new chassis. He's going through the whole entire thing. Can't wait to get his car back on the road and get him back into the seat and get some seat time. We want to do Global Time Attack. We want to get all our sponsors, all their equipment's put in here and start marketing, start doing a bunch of stuff with them, working together. Hybrid racing this year, actually 2021. There are our newest sponsors with Jared's vehicle. Check this out. Look how amazing this thing looks. We're going to be adding a lot of features that we got from hybrid racing, from shift knobs to what do we get from a hybrid racing, Jared?
Got just about everything. K-swap, full-size radiator, shifter cables, shifter, the RSX V3 shifter with the base plate, throttle cables. We got all the innovative hybrid racing mounts for the K20 that I'm putting in. Yeah, a bunch of little miscellaneous knickknacks and good high-quality parts. So. Transmission is almost done being rebuilt, so as soon as I get that back, I can start test fitting the motor and all those awesome parts. So,
all rattle can. You guys are a genius when it comes to that. I mean, overnight did the full entire
car. Gotta love Rust-Oleum, best spray paint ever.
That's all he did into this car. So we're excited. Oh man, I can't wait. I can't wait, Jared. I can't wait to get back on the track again. It's been
same here.
It's been a hell of a long time, but keep watching it out. Check out Jared's build and his track dates.